door closed on me.
Oh.
All right.
Beanbag. Yeah, that beanbag is awesome.
I need one for 3.
Me too.
It's super awesome.
And so I went.
Right?
I don't think it's that.
Yeah. It's nice to open a door and not be hit with.
Mm-hmm. With bunk.
Seriously?
Are you for luck?
Yeah, fix it just enough that the person after you breaks it and thinks they broke it. Get in there. Yes. Have the blinds. I'm sure they would have to be like in secret.
Vietnam and Iraqi vets from burn pits and Agent Orange, and they blocked it. The Republicans blocked it in the 55 necessary spending. So tell me exactly how much I was in it, because they try and crap in to bills that are actually really good, and that's why they can't approve them.
Yeah, and I really, that's why.
Did I tell you Aiden's doing one now?